Welcome students. In this video we are going to discuss about relative sizes. Under this topic we have two things: place a greater sign, lesser sign between the two numbers, and the second one, arrange the numbers in ascending order. We can arrange in descending order as well, but both are the same thing. So let's see, after that we see how can we do it. So this means that the greater and this is lesser. With the mouth open, that side is the greater side. Where mouth is closed, that side is called the lesser size. For example, if you are given the number 3 out of 5 and the second number is 0.67. So we need to compare these two numbers. So remember, whenever we are given relative sizes, we need to compare the numbers. So either you can make all the numbers into decimals or into fractions. It's up to you. So I'm going to do in decimals. So 3 out of 5, use the calculator, you can get the number which is 0.6, and this is 0.67. So if you observe that 0.6 is smaller than 0.67, so it means 0.6 smaller than 0.67. So stop here. This is not your answer. We are given the actual question is 3 out of 5, 0.67. So please focus the point. When you compare it, compare the original. This fraction I just change to make comparison easy for me between 0.6 and with the second number. Now 0.6 less than 0.67, so we can say 3 out of 5. So required order is 3 out of 5 less than 0.67. This is required order. This is your answer. Let's take another example. If we are given two fractions like 5 out of 8 and 0.63, use calculator. 5 out of 8 equal 0.625, and where we have other 0.63, so 0.6 is bigger and 0.62 is smaller. So if we compare it, so we can say 0.625 smaller than 0.63. But again, please don't say this is the answer. We go for our original statement. In the original, we are given in the fraction one, other one is decimal. So the required order is 5 out of 8 is smaller than 0.63. This is your answer. Sorry. Okay, now we check with the second point, arrange the number in ascending order. We can go for the descending order as well. We are given example for this topic, which is example number I considered 3. I was given some number like half, 0.52, 11 out of 20, 0.51. First change fraction into the decimal, much better, so then you can easily compare them. So 1 over 2, it means that it is 0.5. 11 out of 20, it is equal 0.55. Now ascending order means from smaller to bigger. So we are given the smaller number is 0.5. Then we have after that 0.0, 0.51, then we have 0.52, then we have 0.55. Again, don't say this is the answer. We focus on our original question. in the original we are given some fractions. So we start with the fraction that the 0.5 is the first number, which is half, and 0.5 as it is in the decimal in order ascending 0.5 to as it is as we are given in the original question in decimal, and 0.55 we just convert from here to here to check with the comparison to compare with the other numbers. So that it's a 0.55 which is equivalent in the fraction 11 out of 20. So this is your required answer. Okay, now if we take another example, like example number I just consider 4. If I'm given the order 2 out of 3.6 and 4 out of 5, so the fraction 2 out of 3.6666 rounding, I'm just writing 0.67, 2-digit number. If I go for the 1 digit, it becomes 7. So, but 0.67 is near 0.66. So that's why I'm just making 2 decimal places. This number as it is because it's already decimal. So 4 divided by 5, if you convert into decimal, it becomes 0.8. Now you can say that in order 0.6 comes first because that is smaller number, then 0.67 is the bigger after that, then 0.8 the bigger after that. But again, this is not our answer. We have to write in the required order, which is 0.6 is the first number, and after that 0.67 which is the equivalent of the fraction 2 out of 3, and we have 0.8 which equivalent the fraction 4 out of 5. So this is your required order, what he said that in ascending order. If we go for descending order, so we have to write from the bigger to smaller. So it means we start from 11 out of 20, then come 0.52, then come 0.51, then comes half. And similarly, if we need to write in a descending order for this, so it would be 5 out of 4 comes first, then 2 out of 3 comes after that, then 0.6 comes after that. So from bigger to smaller. Hope you understand this topic. Thank you very much.